All right, guys, so this is the 4G LTE modem router. Now, this thing's super cool because if you connect this to your actual router, your hardwired internet, and you have a SIM card in it, it's going to be able to intelligently switch between the two. So if you lose connectivity with one of those services, it'll automatically switch. Now, this does have 4 Ethernet ports, so that's great. If you want to hardwire maybe your computer to this, you can do that. And it accepts most SIM cards. So if you have like AT&T, Verizon, what have you, you can just go ahead and put it in there because this thing is unlocked. But let's go ahead and take a closer look. Let's open the box and let's see what comes inside. All right, guys, so let's just take a look and see what you get in the box. Now, here is the top box. You're going to get the power. So here's the power right there. That's how you're going to power the router. So that comes in it on the top. And then, of course, you do get your instruction manual. You'll want to read that, right? And then inside the box, you're going to get the actual router itself. So let's just go ahead and open that up and take a look. There it is right there. Pretty cool. So this is what it looks like. You can see the size is nice and round. On the back, you should have 4 ports, so you can hardwire other routers, computers, or whatever you want to do with that. And of course, here's your power button. But I'm going to go ahead and power it up for you and show you exactly how it works. And then on the front here are your indicator lights. So that's everything that comes in the box, and you'll be ready to go. Okay, so I did get power. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Here's the power on the bottom. We should get some activity. There we go. So we got the blue light, and we should get some blinking lights. Now, it does tell us when it connects to 4G. It also is backwards compatible to 3G, so keep that in mind, which is great. And then, of course, it will set up, this will be its own Wi-Fi router, so you could actually set up your own login to this device specifically. So, pretty cool, guys. Take a look. So if you have a SIM card, this is going to be great. If you're traveling and you want to get that unlimited internet, so if you're using like Verizon or AT&T, this is the way you would do it. You get one of those SIM cards, just plug it in the bottom, and you won't have that limitation. So here we go. So you can see that the Wi-Fi has been set up. Now this thing, the whole goal of this is to convert your 4G cellular service into Wi-Fi. So that way you can connect up to 16 devices into this. So you can run 16 devices off of your SIM card, which is pretty crazy to me. But very cool product, guys. Very neat if you need to, if you travel. So like if you're traveling or you're a digital nomad or you're roaming around, this might be something very handy to keep maybe in your RV or travel with, because it does convert that 4G into Wi-Fi. Now, if you do have this hardwired, so if you have this connected to your modem at home or what have you, if you lose connectivity, it'll switch to the 4G connection. So it'll always you'll always be backed up from wired to cellular service with this. So that's what makes this great. So ideally, you'll never be down. And if you have the 4G SIM chip, this can get you up to 150 megabits per second. So you're going to get really fast connection speeds with this. But anyways, yeah, this is the InRadio 4G LTE modem router. Very cool, guys. And if you're looking to expand your network, consider one of these. These things are awesome.